Disney Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, Minnie's Valentine.
Hello, everybody! Do you want to come to the clubhouse with me? Well, all right, let's go. Just say, Miska, Muska, Mickey Mouse. Today is February 14th. It's a special day, but I can't remember why. Let's check the mailbox. Look at all these cards. Now I know why this day is special. Do you? Super cheers! Today is Valentine's Day, but I don't have a present for Minnie. What should I do? Did you hear the doorbell ring? Let's see who it is. Hello, I'm Mickey Mouse. It's nice to meet you, Miss M. Can you really help me find a present for Minnie? That's great. Miss M says to check the weather. It will give me a clue. Look outside the clubhouse door. What is the weather like today? You betcha! It is cold outside. Minnie's ears always tingle when it's cold. Maybe I should give Minnie something to keep her ears warm on a frosty winter day. What could that be? A hat! That's a perfect present. But how will I find a hat for Minnie? Great idea, Miss M. I can knit a hat for Minnie. First, I need to get some wool. Miss M says to find an animal that says, "Bah!" Oh, Toodles, can you help us? A cow, a duck, a sheep, and a dog. Does a dog say, "Bah"? No, but a sheep sure does. I can get the wool from a sheep. Oh boy, 3 woolly sheep are outside my door. I can use their wool to make a hat, but I need to cut it first. Oh, Toodles! A hammer, an umbrella, a flashlight, or clippers. Which tool should I use? Good job! Clippers were exactly what I needed. The wool is clean and combed. Miss M says that I have to spin it now. I see a vacuum cleaner, a hair dryer, a spinning wheel, and a sewing machine. What machine should I use? The spinning wheel worked. Nice going, everybody. Now I want to dye the wool pink. That's Minnie's favorite color. Can you find 2 colors I can mix to make pink? Eureka! Red and white make pink. The wool is all ready. It's time to knit the hat. Miss M has just the tools I need. Do you see them in her bag? Minnie's hat is finally finished. Oh boy, am I tired. Goodbye, Miss M. Thanks for all your help. Ding dong. Minnie is here. Do you think she'll like her present?
Oh, Mickey, Minnie says. How did you ever know I wanted a pink hat? Minnie loves her new hat. How did Miss M know that it would be the perfect present? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Disney Mickey Minnie Mouse stories, check out my Disney Mickey Minnie Mouse playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.